The brand new Lincoln, bro. The new Lincoln out here going deep. What's good, bro? Bro, that two-stroke is so loud. Yeah, that's so loud. Oh my God, bro. The brand new Lincoln, bro. The new Lincoln out here going deep.
There's like so much water in there, bro. Oh, there's somebody in there.
Dude, that's crazy. Everyone's getting stuck today. First we had that red Ram we had to pull out. Now we got like, I think this is like a 2021 Lincoln, like buried. Bruh.
Always getting the footy out.
A brand new Lincoln. A brand new Lincoln, bro, is like all the way up to the doors in water. It's so funny because when I first got to the lot, I seen this guy just ripping the trails in his Lincoln. I'm like, bro, who takes a nice ass like brand new Lincoln out here on the trails? And the next thing I know, I'm riding with freaking the homies over here, and I see him sunken halfway in, bro, all the way, almost all the way up to the door, which is insane. I want to see what happened in the motor. See, that boy went under, bro.
For real.
Hey, I'm sure next time they ain't gonna be taking this that deep. Hey, at least you guys got it out. Two-stroke wheelie action, y'all know the vibe, bro. Ooh, a wheel ski for the boys. You good?
The bike like just stuck and I just fell and I freaking. Yeah, I watch all your shit.
Let's go. You know I got the big 450. Thank you, thank you.
I respect you, bro.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
I watch all your shit.
Hey, let's go. I got the big 450 out. It's powerful. Boy, stuck, dude. Y'all stuck?
Yeah.
There's always something going on at the lot. What's good, bro? They're your friends?
No, they got fucking.
Oh, you don't know them?
I don't know. We're just helping around.
Oh,
I don't know.
let's grab it all, I guess. Alright, give her a little pull.
So I used to watch you when you had like 2 videos.
I appreciate it.
Back like in your big bike days.
Yeah.
You used to ride with that kid with a KX 125. Sick, man.
Let's go. Oh, you got the chain, the metal chain. This is a 4-wheel? Let's go. All right, so we got a little situation happening at the lot. Some people got stuck. I wonder how long they've been stuck for. Easy money right there. That 4-wheel drive makes such a big difference. Oh, we got the YZ just laying down over here.
Huh?
How long were y'all stuck for?
What time is it? I'd say about 40 minutes actually.
40 minutes?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, it was my fault. It was my first time driving, and we didn't like go straight into it. I'm like, can we make this? And I was like, okay, I go, and I'm like, okay.
It gets deep. It gets deep out there. Oh boy, a little rainy area, little puddles. Ooh, off-roading on the big 450 is sketchy. Oh my gosh. So yeah, if you're wondering, like, off-roading a 450, this is my first time riding a 450 off-road like this, and I can tell you it is a gnarly feeling, but I'm starting to get used to it. Like, the power doesn't really feel like too much off-roading. Like sometimes it does with how torquey it is on that low end, but we just popped out of nowhere and just onto the trail. I'm gonna head back to my car. Let's see it. I want to see a wheelie in the mud. You can go in it though, right? Yeah. You can't wheelie in it though? Damn. Huh? I don't know about mudding.
Yeah, it doesn't have any grip.
Okay. Why can't you wheelie that one?
I ain't got tires on it yet, so it won't grab.
Ah. You gotta get some big tires on that thing.
I was supposed to go pick them up yesterday, but the guy stole them.